Yeah, hello guys. How everyone? Yeah, we continue with the tutorial for building Sound Recorder app. I remember last time we ended here. We had a problem somewhere. Remember? Um, I remember it was yeah, when we because for instance just uh to remember where we ended. I remember we had more than I mean we have more than one recording here, but for some reason our app is just showing only one recording. You see, so that's what was happening. So we could had more than one recordings here, but when we run our app, only one recording is shown here. So um, yeah, so that's was the problem. But I was able to figure out what the problem. If you go here in the layout, you go to recording load item, this one. I remember we we forgot to, because here it was my parent. It was supposed to be lab content here. So if we put lab content here, and then we run our app. Then let's run our app here. So let's see. So try to launch. You see, so here now, so if you go here on the sub recordings, you see now we see all the recordings. You see, so that's what was the problem. Yeah, so let's continue. In this tutorial, actually what you're supposed to do is when we click on this recording, it should start playing. We should show a dialog where we can play or pause and see the progress of our recording when it's playing. So we need to create like when we click here one of our recording, then the pop-up should come up, and then it should show us um, the yeah, the recording section. So yeah, if we can play, you can just play it, or if we just start it. So we need to create a dialog. Yeah, so that we can be able to play our recording. So yeah, so in order to do that, so first of all, we're going to create a fragment here. We're going to create a fragment, um, dialog fragment. Yeah, so we need to create a dialog fragment. So we go here, say new, and then let's create a fragment, which should be a blank fragment. Okay, so this should be a pre record uh, fragment. All right, so yes, so that is it. So we should say pre-record fragment, right? So yeah, that should be a fragment, and then we are going to say finish. Yep, I'm going to say finish here, right? So this is our pre-record fragment here. So in this fragment, so instead of extending from a normal fragment, it should be extend from dialog fragment, right? So it should create a uh, fragment. Yep, so just a dialog fragment. Alright, so this is dialog fragment. Yeah, I think yep, maybe, yeah, I think you will need one parameter, I think. This is a parameters. So these are defaults. You can just move them if you want, but let's just keep them. So yeah, so this is a fragment, right? So in this fragments, let's go. So let's go inside here. So let's just create a layout. See? So create a layout where we will design how our recording will look like, right? So yep. So this is a fragment protocol. Yes. So here we need to build a layout. Yeah. So as we said that this layout will have so yeah. So enable the user for app to be able to play the recordings, right? So here I think what you want to achieve is to put like a button where uh, a play button and stop button, I think so, so that the user can play or stop the recording. So I think yep. So let's just use maybe yep. We'll use a card view. I think card view. Yep. So which should be my parent. I think much parent, and then this should be the content, right? So yeah. So you see. So that is it. So yeah. So here then again we have yeah. I think yeah. The content is just the content. Maybe we can give it some. I don't know. Maybe it should be at the center. Maybe gravity. Yeah, we use gravity. I think. Android. Maybe no. Maybe we should center horizontal. Maybe true. And then maybe yeah. I think yeah should be at the center. Then after yeah, remember we have also that seek bar to show the progress of our recording while we are playing. So I think we should have maybe let's try to create like a linear layout, and then yeah, and this linear layout would be vertical, I think. Yep. So let's create a linear layout here. Linear layout. Uh, should be much parent. Presentation should be vertical. So inside here, I would like to display text view. Text view here. There should be upcoming too. It should be the content, and then yeah, I think it is much parent. There should be the content. Then here, and then Yeah, that's also text view. Maybe we should put a text here. Actually, this should be the name of the of our recording. So it should be named the recording. Right. So then after here we should have a name. I can name here. I know it's so maybe let's just give it some margin maybe. Margin top. I don't know. Margin top should be maybe 10 dp. Yeah, maybe margin. Maybe just give it margin to the margin maybe 10 dp, and then yeah. Then after I should have this. After that I should have a sickbar. Maybe yep. We should have a sickbar here. Maybe match parent content. Yep. So we should have an ID maybe. Also here we should have an ID. The file name. Mm, that's fine. So name of recording then here. Oh, maybe I'm going to put, since I want to have yeah, maybe after that inside this I'll create a little layout because I need to have I need to show the maybe my content. Much current lab content content here. This should be much current. Look. So inside here I have maybe like yeah, should have a text view here. Lab content, and then here lab content too. My text view here should have I think I should build an ID. Yeah, I should have an ID. And then yep, ID. Maybe I should have maybe she should be ID. And she call current recording time. Call and record time. And then yep, that should be current record time. And then I should have another thing which is just build a floating action button. Action button which should be maybe maybe I should give up content and then this content. Then I'll just have another text view here. Before that, this one I should align um should align The parent start, I think should be at the start. Start through, then should be line left, left, line parent left with upper line align parent top. Yeah, that's our text. And also here I should put a text maybe just to show what we should be 3 seconds and I mean 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And also I think although this one should be sure if I want to see it. I should be center horizontal. Maybe I should center horizontal should be true. Yeah, I see. So this is our text here. So I need to give it maybe some more margin. I think. Margin maybe 10 dp. With the margin, I think. Yeah, so that one is okay. Maybe text size. Maybe text size 18 dp. Yeah, so somehow it's there. So I'll have another text here. I think inside here and yeah, so I want to create to give it um, a drawable resource here. Yeah, I think this drawable resource, yep, so you can just go here and add because I already have it, so I just want to show you how. So you can go to vector asset and then you can click this is prepared, so you can just click here and then search for play and then play arrow this one. Yeah, so you can just take this one and then because since I already have it, this one here, I already have this one here, so I'll use this one. I'll use that one. So yes. So let's go here and play the code fragment and then so this fragment record and then put here at drawable play. See no, so now it appears. You see. So after that, I'll have another text view here. Yep, so another text view which should be just like what we have here, but this one should be yep, so it should be less like that one, but we need to create text view. Should be lab content, and then lab content as usual, and then ID should have ID. The code time length. Yeah, we show the record time length here. Example that one. Yep. So also, if you use align parent top should be true. Align parent end should be true. Align password. Align so align parent start. No, sorry. Align parent bottom. Yeah, align parent right, I think should be true. Yeah, that one align also. We should have align parent. That was right. So it should be align parent and should be true. Yep. So yeah, also should have a text here. Maybe it should be 5 minutes and 0 seconds. Text size should be should give it a margin, I think. Margin 10 dp. And also should have but we should have text size should be 18. Text size be 18 dp. 18 dp. So yeah, so guys, I think yeah, we are good. We are good for the layout. Just to start, if we could change something, we'll come and change, no problem. But for now, I think it's fine. It's fine. Yeah. So after having this, maybe let's try to learn and see if we are okay. Also, another issue is in this record fragment. Maybe let's just try to do something here. Okay. Well, I just want to try if you're going, we are doing okay. Right. So so yeah, just to try, just to try. Um, I'll go into this audio file adapter, and then I'll come here. I'll come inside here. That's a holder dot card view dot set quick listener new and quick listener. So inside here I'll play what do we call the play record fragment. Play record fragment. So record fragment, and then after that yeah, so in order to use fragment transaction, fragment transaction, fragment transaction. Maybe you can just use the we can just take it from here from context. I think we have context here, so we can just pick it from there. Then you can just pick from fragment activity. So we need to remember we need to just convert it from here. So just need to create put another on here. So the problem. Oh, it didn't end here. Say dot this about then the transaction. To begin transaction. So begin transaction. See, so yeah, that's good. So then you say playback play fragment dot show the transaction, free transaction. and then we should have like a text here before text. Maybe we should put the fragment. You see, so that is great. So I think we are good. I think so. Let's go and try our application and see. Let's go and try to run and see. See. So now let's just check. So now it's in story. Check. So you see, so this is application now. So if you go to self recording and if we click, yeah, you see guys. So we have this pop up now. So if you go to anything of them, any one of them, so you see that pop up here. So we are good guys. So I think in here we see our sickbar and we see here. I know it doesn't look good, but we'll try to uh, add some margin I think, and then try to design it so that's look good. Yeah, so I think guys, I don't know, I think, yeah, since we have succeeded to add this dialog fragment, I think the tutorial is taking longer. I think yeah, I think let me just end here and then we'll continue in next video. So I hope guys you learned something from this tutorial. So yeah, I think in the next video we'll just finish up this tutorial. We'll try to finish everything and then yeah, we just try to play this audio that we have recorded and then yeah, we'll be good to go guys. So I hope you have learned something from this video guys. Let me just beg you something. Yes, please make sure you subscribe. You hit the subscribe button below so that yeah, you can motivate me in one way or another. You see, so yeah, yes guys, so make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And then I'll be happy and I'll be motivated to do more amazing videos for you guys. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. Let me wish you a good time and cheers.